Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in West Sussex in the UK. This is the card that I'm going to show you how to make today. It is my entry for this week's Global Design Project, which is a Case the Designer challenge. This week I'll put a picture of Emma's card that we're casing. For this one I used some old designer series paper to create the rainbow down the side, and I'm using Celebrate Sunflowers stamp set, and then the sentiment is from Many Messages. This comes with a coordinating die, so let me just pop that up there. I'll just get straight onto what we're using. I've got thick basic white standard card base, 21 centimeters by 14.8 and scored in the middle at 10.5 to create the standard base. A panel of normal basic white, which is 8 centimeters by 14.5. Second strip, doesn't really matter how wide this is, I'm just going to use this to make my rainbow, and I've cut some bits of card from our Brights pack. So there's my little rainbow there. I'm going to stick that down on there. As I say, I've got one of the sentiments from the Many Messages stamp set. There'll be a link to my previous video. This is what I'm going to do my stamping on, and I'm going to embellish it with the Artistry Bloom adhesive back sequins. I thought that would be rather nice and bright, so I'll just get on and do the stamping. I'm going to be stamping off. I've mounted my stamp on the big block, and I'm going to use Smoky Slate. Thought about using basic black, but I think Smoky Slate will give it a bit of a softer feel. You can get up each time. Oh, try not to get your finger in it. Now, I thought about leaving it like that, but I'm going to actually come in from both ends as well. Fill in that white space. There we go. It's rather lovely. Oh, and I forgot, I've got a strip of the gold foil. I'm going to pop that under there. So let me just quickly, we'll take that away. Create the rainbow. This should be a nice and quick card. Now you could use any kind of glue for this. I want to make sure that it's fairly well covered. I'm going to start at the top. And butt them up against each other. Make sure that there's no gap. I can always trim it down. Cats come in to keep me company. Very nice. There we go. I'm just going to grab my trimmer and see where it is. Take that so that it's a straight line. Sorry for the noise, let's just take that there. May well just trim that down so that I've got a little bit to put on the inside. That will be quite nice. So rather than put glue on the strip of gold, I'm going to put the glue just down that side for the minute, and then pop it down and slide it to the left, and that way you can just get the gold and the glue, because the glue can make it a bit messy. And then I'm going to, let's just reinforce that fold, make it nice and crisp. I'm glad I turned that over. Now this is, that's perfect. So I'm going to just trim that down for the front. Because that is the right size now. I'm going to glue that flat. Make sure I put that in the right place. And then that will glue over the top like that. Now I could pop that up on dimensionals, but I'm not going to. Put some glue on there. And make sure that that's straight like that, and then that can go on the inside like that, and because that's a little bit longer, just ties in the inside with the outside. And I think actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to, that's really lovely. Now I toyed with, do I use the pool party ribbon or do I use the gold? Two gold ribbons, what do we think? Oh, I think that would be nice. I'll show you how I make two bunny ears. Pop that round. I don't know whether I'm doing that right or not. will go up on dimensionals. Now I did toy with the idea of putting a little gold pop. I think I might actually, so pop that there. And again, I just, with my gold foil, I had a little offcut, so I used the messages die to cut a coordinating one. You've just got a little bit of something popping out. We've got some dimensionals. Shame to cover up that beautiful sunflower, but I'm going to pop that in the middle, and then I'm going to use a glue dot for the ribbon. Yeah, I think that works nicely. I'm going to pop that there. Lovely. I'm going to bring my envelope. What did I do with the glue? With the ink, there's the ink. Come off the corner there. Just do the flap. I just think it's quite nice to tie in the envelope with the card. Take a pick tool. To an extra one there. Lovely. There we go. I don't know which one I'm going to enter. I think actually that my originals are usually the ones that I like, and there's the envelope that goes with it, so fabulous. There will be links in the description box below to my blog and to my online store. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, please head over there. It's open 24/7. Please hit that subscribe button, and I put up a video every Sunday. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you again next week. Bye for now.